Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 4.14, the secret of adding data to an Excel table. We're in a table. We want to add another column. Type in a number. You have a column. Type in another row, 45. See what happens? That total really screws things up. Hit Control Z, go up to your table design, go to total row, get rid of the total row, put in 100, and you now have a new row. To insert a row, as you would normally, hit right click, insert, and now you have a new row. If you want to add a new table column, do the same thing, insert, and now you have a new column. Using the shortcut keys to remove a table row, highlight the cell, highlight the row, hit Control minus. To add a row, hit Control plus. To delete a column, hit Control minus. To add a table column, hit Control plus. To filter data, you have these down arrows. Pick the down arrow, sort by ascending or descending order. You can select multiple and hit sort by A to Z. Sort any way you like. You can sort using the ribbon tab. Go to data, sort. You can list whatever you want sorted. If you want it by order, if you want to add multiple sort, you can add. You can delete levels, add level. You can change cell values by order. You can customize any way you like. Those are the sort features. Options, lots of different options. Copy level, delete level, cancel. To turn off the sort feature on the table sort feature, go to the table design. Make sure the active cell is within the table. Go to table design, hit filter button, and the filters are turned off. Turn the filter back on. If you want a total value or total row, hit the total row. If you want to turn off the first column, last column, or if you want to highlight, you want the banded columns or non-banded, you want to get the banded rows removed, you want the header row removed, you have these features available under table style options.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.